Bored of a default chat theme on Instagram and want some change? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to change chat color on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. This is where you can find all your messages. Now tap on any chat that you want to change the color of. Then tap on the username or group name at the top. Then tap on Theme. You can select any theme that you like from the list. Then simply tap on it. And that is how you change chat color on Instagram. But you have to change the theme for each chat separately. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.